have sun dogs again this morning. Beautiful. Get some from last night. As you can see, I moved a little snow. Did get the tractor started. We got another skiff of snow this morning. And if you remember, I did have a path into the barn. That's all drifted shut again. And our drifts are getting bigger over there. Just unbelievable amount of snow. And if you can see way down there, I don't know if we'll ever get out. Oh, you can see put that going a little bit ago. It's tight. Nice spot right here on the floor. Turn some lights on. Oh, those are the last two deer I've got. The last one I shot was in 2020. These things tend to run a little better with gas in them.